Good morning, students. Today, I am going to start the last exercise of your book, that is brushed up once again of chapter number 14. After this exercise, your syllabus is completed and we start our revision. So, question is that which of the following figure are symmetrical? Symmetrical means if you draw the line, then they will divide into two equal part, and draw the line of symmetry in the case of symmetrical figure. Okay, just see the r1 is not symmetrical. If you draw this line, then not equal part, this line then not the same part. If you draw the 8 one, that is symmetrical, then correct on b1 and draw the line of symmetry. This also home is symmetrical, then correct on c part for the symmetrical and draw the one line of symmetry. This tree is also symmetrical, then tick correct tick on the d part and draw the one line of symmetry. Now come on E part. E part is not symmetrical. Only this first part is symmetrical, but the whole heart is not symmetrical, and in this way also, this way also. So this is wrong. Now come on heart. Heart one is also symmetrical. Draw the tick one and draw the one line of symmetry. D part. G part is also symmetrical. Draw one line here also and here also. And H part is also symmetrical. Then draw the one line. So you have to tick on the ones which are symmetrical. They all are symmetrical, and you have to draw the line of symmetry also. Line of symmetry means they have to divide it into two equal same part. Now draw the reflected of the following shape. Reflection you have to draw. So you have one side here. So same figure you have to draw this side with the help of pencil. One tree is here. Same figure you have to draw this side. And one cup is here. One cup is here. So same figure you have to draw this side. Both are same. So you have to draw this figure with the help of pencil. Now come on question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is that rotate the following figure as directed. You have to make a half turn clockwise. Clockwise you have to move this direction, and half turn means just opposite. If arrow is here, then half turn become here, just opposite one. So here you have to draw one small circle with small joker here. This line are become shade because I am draw this with the help of pencil and then scan, then these are not clear. So you have to use your pencil to draw this line, and you have to make a quarter turn. Quarter means 1/4. Anti-clockwise means this direction. So when you have to rotate this flower, 3 flower petals in this direction, then it will become like this one. So it is the half rotation. Clockwise means this direction, and is anti-clockwise, but is quarter rotation, it is 1/4. Okay, so you have to draw this two diagram with the help of pencil. Now which 4 letter of English alphabet have double line of symmetry? Double means horizontal also and vertical also. So you have, you see H. If you see H I am draw here, you have 2 line of symmetry, one here also and one here also. Now see I have 2 line of symmetry, one here also and one here also. O have many line of symmetry, but you have to draw only 2, one horizontal and one vertical. And for the X also have 2 line of symmetry. If you draw X, one horizontal and one vertical. So you have to write H I O X and draw the line of symmetry here. 2 also, 2 also, 2 also, and 2 also. Now come on question number 5. Complete the Pascal triangle. Okay, just I will tell you what is the Pascal triangle. Pascal is that one. It is 1 and 1. Then you add become 2. 1 and 2 become 3. 1 and 2 become 3. 3 and 1 become 4. 3 become 6. 3 and 1 become 4. Means you have to add 4 and 1 become 5. 6 and 4 become 10. And 6 and 4 become 10. And 4 and become 5. Now add 4 and 1 become 6. 5 and 10 become 15, 10 and 10 become 20, then 5 and 10 become 15 and 5 become 6. Now add 6 and 1 become 7, 15 and 6 become 21, 20 and 15 become 35, 15 and 20 become 35, 15 and 16 become 21, 6 and 1 become 7. So in this way you have to write this value by adding these two column continuously. 4 and 1, 5, 10 and 5, 15, 6 and 5, 21. Like that one you have to add. Now question number 6 is that the last question. Here half of this square border pattern is given to you. Color the other half by reflecting the design to make complete border pattern. Okay, you have to color. So suppose they have yellow color, so you have to yellow color by yourself here. They are the light yellow, then draw light yellow here, then again yellow, then circle 2 yellow, and then again 2 light. It means that you have to draw the same color. One yellow here, then one yellow here. Okay, one white here, one white here, one yellow here, one yellow here, and here 2 yellow, then 2 yellow here, 2 green, 2 just like a blue, then 2 blue here, like that one you have to make. Okay, so this you have to draw by yourself in homework. So today I am completed your this exercise, and along with this exercise I am completed chapter number 12 also, and along with chapter number 12 I am completed your syllabus also. So if you have any doubt in any question, you can ask me now. In next classes I am started your revision. Thank you.